Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I've always been a fan of cookies. I love them with a glass of milk, tea, coffee, whatever, and I decided to make these delicious little devils up, and I'm calling them Soft and Cloudy Flour Jam Cookies. You're just gonna love them. Let me walk you through it, and let's get started. So first off, guys, I'm going to take some butter at room temperature and add it to a bowl. And this is about 2 sticks or 238 grams. A cup of powdered sugar, or caster sugar. Then I'm going to take my mixer and beat this up until it's well combined and creamy. Next up, I'm going to add in an egg yolk and a few drops of vanilla extract. And you can just kind of eyeball this. And if you don't have vanilla extract, you can leave it out. Then we're going to beat one more time. Then I'm going to add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then mix again until everything is well combined. And you can change it to a spatula or even your hands until it comes together nicely. Well, that didn't work. The spatula broke. I'll get another one. Okay, now what we're going to do is grab an ice cream scooper. You can use a tablespoon as well. And scoop up some of the dough. Put it in the palm of your hand. And we're just going to roll this into a ball. Place it into a baking tray lined with a baking mat or parchment paper. Give it kind of a flatten down. You can flatten this out with a glass if you like. And I'm going to use a whisk just to give it kind of a floury shape. Doesn't that look pretty? Okay, the fun part. What I've got here is some blueberry jam, and I've just put this in a Ziploc bag, and I'm just going to spread this onto my biscuit. Next up, I'm going to use some peach, and you can use whatever flavor you like. You can use strawberry, raspberry, but I'm using peach and blueberry. I just love this. You can spoon it on too if you like. Now we're going to slip these into a 320 degree Fahrenheit, 160 Celsius for about 25 minutes. After about 25 minutes, we're going to let these cool completely, and they smell absolutely delicious. And there you have it, guys, our soft and cloudy flour jam cookies. Okay, guys, let's give this a taste test. I'm going to do the blueberry. I'm in heaven. They're soft, they're chewy. The jam in the middle is fantastic. You got to try these. So for this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. Tons of baking recipes over there. Thanks for subbing, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.